Hey, excuse me sir. Wewe ndo nani kwa hii dimension? I like your hair. You look so cool. This hair is so cool.
That's good in fact.
Yeah. Huyu anaitwa Mzungu? Sonko. Sonko, what do you do?
People then I get my food.
Oh, I thought wewe ni Mnisa, artist.
No, no, even me, I'm artist also.
What art do you do? Wewe ni artist kama like unaimba. What do you do?
Mi upande wa kuchora chora.
Oh, you draw?
Yeah.
Uko na shop ya the place where you draw?
Kula pale.
Uko na?
Eh.
Hey, you check it out. I like your hair.
Okay.
Hii nani alikuinspire? Who inspired you to have something tonka kama hii? It makes you look different.
Okay, thanks.
Hata nimekunote. Kwanza how it's luminous green ni tonka. Hata tonka amekunote. Oh.
Hey bro. Jaba olivo.